Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Dahua or an Alhua outdoor IP speed dome camera. This is an SD1A404XB and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might want to do a hard reset for one of two reasons. One is troubleshooting. If the camera is not working properly, or if it's not connecting, or if it's freezing and not responding, or if it's not moving properly, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason you might want to do this is if you're trying to set this camera up in a new location on a new network and everything like that. Doing a hard reset on it can just give us a fresh start on it, and it's quite easy to do. We are going to need like a paper clip or a pin or something to press the reset button once we access it. But if you've got that, what you're going to do is you're going to come in here, you're going to have to remove these two screws to access this little case inside here. And inside there, you'll see there is a small reset button, which you will need to press and hold for at least 10 seconds. After pressing and holding it for at least 10 seconds, it will reset to its factory default settings.